Hello guys, I am Daddy the Guitarist, a singer-songwriter and a composer. Welcome to this tutorial, Samba. Samba by Supa Mazembe or Simba Wanyika. Who did that song? Is it Supa Mazembe or Simba Wanyika? Who did that song? So, as you think of that, so today's tutorial is Samba. I'm going to teach you how to play Samba. This one is going to be very easy and very brief. So let us begin. Come and play the key of E shape 1. By now you should know shape 1. You know shape 1. From my previous tutorial you know shape 1. Okay. So shape 1, key of E, 12th fret, 13th, 14th. If you are a beginner or if you are a guest, to this channel, how you play an E shape 1 4 chord. First finger, place it on the 12th fret, first string, second string. Second finger, 13th fret, third string. Third finger, 14th fret, fourth string. And you have an E, key of E. Alright? So, this part I'm not going to explain, but I'm just going to show you. First of all, I want you to see this. So, I want you to play this key of E like this. Just feel it first, feel it. You feel it. Don't mind my effect. Don't mind my effect. It's the feedback that makes it sound like that. So, after feeling it, I want you to play. That is the first step. I want you to play. Are we together? Next step, I want you to play string 2 and string 3. First of all, first step, play string 4, 3, 2, 1. So, second step, I want you to play a flat like this. You know shape 1. You know that progression the way I shown you in that tutorial. So, after doing this, play string 2 and string 3. And then back to shape 1, but I want you to play string 1. I've said play string 2 and 3, and then back to shape 1 and play E notes, string 1. So you have. So here I want you to play twice, round 1 and round 2. Round 1 play like that, round 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, so you have. Next step, repeat it, and then go to shape 2. Shape 2. If you don't know shape 2, this is how you play shape 2. But you can go and refer to those lessons if you are a guest to this channel, okay? This is how you play shape 2. Fret 11, I want you to place your first finger in fret 11, place string 4, 3, 2, and 1. Fret 12, your second finger place on the second string. Fret 13, third finger place on the fourth string. You have your shape 2 there. So, let me go back. And then, when you're in shape 2, I want you to play string 1 and 2. The same way, you see, count the number of picks you did here. Is what I want you to repeat here. Okay? So, and then, pinky, play fret number 14, G sharp note. Are we together? So you have. Are we together up to there? Are we together up to there? So that is step 1 you have done. You're done with step 1. Step 2, this is what I want you to do. Now, back to your key of E. I want you to play E note, and I want you to play E sharp note or E B note. Play E B note, play the E note and then play the E B note, but I want you to slide. I want you to do that. Basic, but with technique. You just play and then your finger will ring the note. Just play and leave it like that. Play and then your finger, okay? But you need to apply some force there so that, okay? So do that. And then G sharp note, fret number 14, first string, do the same thing. Okay, if it can't do that, do this. Just do that. So you have, or, alright, G sharp note. Then I want you to go to A sharp note, fret number 16, A sharp note, 14, 15, 16, fret number 16, A sharp note, and then fret number 16, and then I want you to play fret number 16. I've said you play the A sharp note, and then fret number 17 I want you to play the A note, and then I want you to skip and go back to fret number 15 and play the GB note, and then go to fret number 11 and play EB note. Go back to fret number 12 and play the E note. So you have you've gotten that one. So finishing, I don't want you to finish with the E note. I want you to finish with the melody. This melody is just from shape 1. Shape 1, remove your third finger. You are left with your first finger and your second finger. So just play string 3 and 2. So you are done with that part. Alright? So the last part I want you to do this. Now this is the most challenging part, but I'm going to make it easier. So I want you to play again. I want you to play first string 12th fret. Okay? I want you to play first string 12th fret. Okay. I want you to play this. I want you to play this. Are we there? This is just I'm in this shape, okay? And then okay.